What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. To the kind folks over at Whitestone Dome, as well as sending over a bunch of screen protectors, which we have one fitted right now. If you haven't seen that video, that's up here for you guys to check out. He sent over the lappy case as well. Now, if last year is to go by with the Pixel 8 Pro, when I done that video with the case, the MagSafe was fantastic. Next level MagSafe, couldn't fault it at all. So we're going to be testing that because this has MagSafe on it. So it's premium hybrid device protector for Galaxy S24 Ultra. So if we look through the box, the perfect fit, comfortable grip, best protection, crystal clear, UV coating, compatible with MagSafe. Nothing else on the box. As you can see, it says lappy case, Whitestone Dome, protect your world. So let's go ahead, jump in, and let's take this out. Now, nothing else in the box, and there is the case. Let's take it out, and it comes with a nice cover over it to protect it and keep it fingerprint free until now, because it's going to get covered in fingerprints like they always do. So there we go. I was looking for the corner. They normally put these on so that it makes it easier to take them off. So there's that one, and then pop it out. And so as you can see right here in the centre, this is your MagSafe logo, and it says protect your world, copyright Whitestone Dome, lappy clear case for Galaxy S24 series, designed by Whitestone. Flipping it over, I don't want to put too many fingerprints on it, but it says Dome on the side right there. Cutouts on the bottom for your S Pen speaker and your charge port. Cutouts on the top for your other mics. Nice raised volume rocker and power button. Cutouts for your cameras right there. So let's go ahead and bring in my S24 Ultra in the grey titanium. And let's just go ahead and slap it into the case like so. There is the grey titanium in the clear case. Now it looks fantastic inside this clear case. That looks absolutely superb. I do like that a lot. Looks really good, especially with the grey titanium. Obviously any colour that you've gone for, you're going to be able to show it off. So that looks really good. And as I said, inside here it says Dome for Whitestone Dome. You've got nice clicky buttons, nice clicky volume, and your clicky power button. As I say, cutouts on the top for your mic, cutouts on the bottom for your charge port, your microphones, your speaker, and your S Pen. S Pen is nice and easy to get out, but when I put a MagSafe device on this, I'll test out the pen so you can see that if it works or not. Now it's got a lip running all the way around the edge right here, so you can go ahead and place this face down and not have to worry. The cameras are nice and recessed a little tiny bit. There's like a bit of a gap between the camera and the case, so you can place it down that way and also not have to worry. But obviously, because it is a clear case, this is what I'd be carrying around with me all the time, just to give it a wipe over, get rid of all the fingerprints and smudges, because obviously I'd like to keep it looking nice and clean, nice and fresh. Same with the front. Now I do have, as I say, the Whitestone Dome screen protector, so yeah, I still have a screen protector on this, and I can still place it face down even if I didn't, because the case covers the entire edge now with the screen being flat. As I say, it's got the MagSafe on it. With the Pixel 8 Pro, the MagSafe was unreal, like I said to you. So let's bring in the Apple MagSafe charger. Let's slap it on. It just slaps on exactly the same as the Pixel 8 Pro. And Jesus, that's gonna take some force to get. That's just the MagSafe on these cases that Whitestone Dome have done. Unbelievable, like unbelievable. So next test, let me bring in the Nomad base stand. Now this guy right here is amazingly heavy. If you watched any of the videos in the past, you know just how heavy this guy really is. I mean, it's the black version. It's super weighty. Big test for me is, can these devices with MagSafe pick this up? So let's go ahead and slap it on. No, it just didn't slap in. There we go. Slaps in. It's now charging. Don't know what Whitestone Dome are putting in this, but my word, literally next level MagSafe on a what could be a cheap case. I'm sure they do a smoked version as well. I'd love to get my hands on that if I can, I'll bring you a video on that, but the MagSafe on these cases, unreal, unreal. MagSafe works a treat. You're going to be able to use this in the car on MagSafe chargers, etc. You're going to be able to use your MagSafe battery packs, anything MagSafe you're going to be able to use with this guy right here. So I haven't bought any MagSafe accessories with me, but I have got a MagSafe charger in the car, just to show whether when it's on charge, which I can show you right now. Let me put the pen back in. It's on 97% and it's charging right now. So if I close the screen, let's take out the S Pen. Let's see if it writes or not. Okay, so no, the MagSafe is that strong. It's very, very spotty with the MagSafe accessory on it. Now, not a big deal for me. I wouldn't use the S Pen if I had something MagSafe on the phone. Just hang on, charge the phone and then use the pen. So it's not so much a big deal for me, but I know it is for some. That's why I'm deciding to show you with different cases now, whether it works or not. But I mean, it's very, very spotty, as you can see. This is me trying to erase stuff, and it does do it eventually. It just takes a little bit of time, so there's a bit of lag there. Not a major, but just to show you that the pen does work in certain points around the MagSafe, but the MagSafe is that strong on this case, you can't use the S Pen. But then now I've took it off, if I click on the eraser, works flawlessly. Whitestone Dome have literally done it again. As I don't know what they're using, but that is an amazing case. Now I'm not too sure on the yellowing factor. That's something that would have to be tested and looked into, so maybe I'll bring in an update video in a few months time and we'll see what's happened. But obviously we're going to be going through a few cases right now, so I don't know whether the yellowing process will occur. I will reach out to Whitestone Dome and ask them for a comment to see whether it does go yellow or not. But let me know what you think of this in the comment section down below. I'm going to leave links to where you can pick yours up and the screen protectors from Whitestone Dome. Again, huge thank you to them for sending this over for me to take a look at super early as well. I truly appreciate them for doing that. I think for a clear case, this is the one I'm going to be rocking. Stay tuned for the next video. Plenty more to come on the S24 Ultra. Playlist at the very end. Click on it, it'll take you right through the playlist to see what we've done so far, and you'll be able to keep track of what's coming up. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, because why not? And I'll see you in the next one. Take care guys, see you all soon. Bye.